her first red eye photo. So,
Did you just take a red eye photo? Did you get your first red eye photo? Did you?
he's like the best.
Oh!
Did you get that on video?
Yep.
Nice job, buddy.
That's a good one.
You have a WordPress account so you can post it, I think. You have to.
Alright.
Or you have a WordPress account.
So you can just make me a, what is it, a...
You can just post up there.
Yeah. Okay. We're over 30 seconds, but I just can't stop.
Here's a question. You're going to go back to your mother's house before you, after you get back home?
Probably not, because Providence is like 10 minutes from the airport.
Because she's probably going to have photos on her computer.
Well, she brought her computer, so we can...
Well, we don't have a camera.
You didn't bring your thing, Mom?